me, Dad. I am the fastest.
Slowly, Jack. A good bike is a safe bike.
Is the forest path very long? I want to ride with you.
Take your jacket. The sky can change.
Do bears live in the forest? I am not afraid of bears.
1, 2, 3, 4. Every bike is ready.
Water, chocolate, and your rain jacket. Keep the bag on your back.
Today we stay together. Nobody rides ahead.
Look at the trees. They are very, very tall.
Jack, wait for us. Put on your helmet first.
The path is long and brown. I can hear birds.
Character in image 2, come back. Stay behind me.
Sorry, Dad, but slow is very boring.
The forest gives us small gifts. Look with your eyes.
Watch this stone. 1, 2, 3, fad, splash.
Here are 2 trails. Blue is short and red is long.
The red trail is longer. I like long trails. I tie a blue ribbon here. Now we know this place.
Character in image 2, not so fast. Wait for us.
Ah! I am flying. I am the fastest in the world.
The chain came off. Give me 2 minutes.
Blue goes home. Red goes far away.
I cannot see Jack now. The path is empty. Just a little way. Then I come back.
The chain is good now. Let us find character B.
The trail stops here. Jack is not here.
Jack? Jack, answer me.
1 long, 2 short. That is our call.
Dad, look at the mud. He went this way.
We go now. And we go together.
This path is very thin. Where is the sun?
Jack! We are coming! Answer us!
3 paths. Oh, they all look the same.
We do not shout at each other. We think, then we move.
I have no signal here. The phone cannot help us.
We must stay on this path. If we get lost, nobody finds Leo.
That is a good idea. Tie a ribbon at every turn.
1 ribbon here. Now we can find the way home. Pa! my knee. The chain came off.
We walk now. The path is too thin for bikes.
I cannot do it. Dad makes it look easy. It is raining now. The rain is very cold. My bike is heavy. My legs are very tired.
Look at this bottle. Jack drank from it today.
The rain took the tracks away. I cannot see them.
Save your voice. Use the whistle.
Here. It is night now. I have my flashlight. I eat half now. Emma gets the other half.
This is the old bridge. The water is very loud.
Gold paper! This is from a chocolate bar.
No. This paper is old. It is not from today.
I am very cold. Mom, please come.
My hands are shaking. I cannot stop them. I saw him go. I did not shout loud enough. This is not your fault. We do not blame. We look.
Dad will come. Dad always comes.
I do not know the way. I am sorry.
Dad, look! A light is moving.
Someone is coming. Stand still and wait.
I am Ben. I look after this forest.
My son is lost. He is 7 years old.
Tell me 3 things. What color is his coat?
A light blue jacket and a red helmet. A red backpack with 1 white star.
A boy on a bike goes down, not up. He is in the low ground.
The low ground is the fallen trees. We go there now.
Take this bottle. Jack drank from it today.
Smell it, Rusty. Find the boy.
He has the smell. Rusty is pulling.
We follow the dog. You two call and whistle.
1 long, 2 short. Then we stop and listen.
I hear something. Is that Dad?
1 long, 2 short.
I am too cold to shout. But my bell is loud.
Stop! Listen! Listen! I hear a little bell. That is the bell of Jack! This way!
Rusty has him! Run!
I have you. I have you now.
Is warm and sweet.
I only wanted to be first. Are you angry?
I was not angry. I was afraid.
I saved half for you. It is a little wet.
Walk behind me. The dog knows the way.
Look, my ribbons. They show us the way home.
Thank you, Ben. You gave us our son.
The forest is kind in the day. At night, always stay together.
Being first is not important. Being together is.
Tomorrow we ride again, but we ride together.